Okay, girls, in the morning we were not able to understand properly. So, I am here taking the inverse trigonometric functions. So, already I discussed that is there are 6 trigonometric functions. From that we have to get the inverse trigonometric functions. We have completed the topic relations and functions. In that we have come to know that a function is invertible. Function is invertible if and only if it is 1, 1 and onto, that is bijective. Now, if you observe here, the sine function, it is from its domain is real numbers, any angle theta, to and it lies between -1 and its range is -1 to +1. That we know in first year. That is sine function lies between -1 and +1, its range, and domain is any real number, any angle theta. The sine function is directly not invertible, I am saying. Why not invertible? It can be made invertible if its domain R is restricted to -90 to +90. Between this, sine function is invertible. You see here the sine curve. Last year we have studied the graphs of trigonometric functions. So it is known as the sine curve. Sine curve lying between -1 and +1. Here it is -1 and it is +1 here in the graph. Okay, between -1 to +1 it lies. अभी देखो ये साइन कर्व क्या है, -1 +1 के बीच में ही रहेगा, ये इसके बाहर नहीं जाता और इसके बाहर नहीं आता, यानी कि साइन का रेंज क्या है, -1 to +1 है. ओके, सो दिस इज द साइन कर्व. नाउ आई हैव गिवन डिफरेंट कलर्स इन द ग्राफ. ओके, why I have given here is, say ये -90 से +90 तक जो ये येलो पार्ट है, so in this curve this is bijective. Between this it is bijective. अभी in general वो bijective नहीं है for all real numbers. It can be made bijective in this range. Similarly यहाँ पे और एक पार्ट है, ये 90 to 3π/2. ये जो पार्ट है यहाँ पे ये बाइजेक्टिव है. इसी तरह से यहाँ पे एक बाइजेक्टिव है, ग्रीन जो दिख रहा है आपको, तो ये बाइजेक्टिव है. यानी कि ऐसे बहुत सारे इंटरवल्स तुमको मिलेंगे, क्लोज्ड इंटरवल्स, जिसमें वो जो साइन फंक्शन है बाइजेक्टिव होता रहता है. तो एक ब्रांच है, लेकिन स्मॉलेस्ट अमंग ऑल द रेंजेस, अभी हमारे पास -90 to +90 का है ये इंटरवल. सिमिलरली π/2 to 3π/2 है. ओके, ऐसे ही आगे 3π/2 to 2π ऐसे कुछ रहता है. तो इस तरह से ये जो एक इंटरवल्स आते हैं ये इनफाइनाइट होते हैं. इनफाइनाइट इंटरवल्स, बिटवीन इनफाइनाइट इंटरवल्स इट विल बी बाइजेक्टिव. लेकिन among all these values, smallest value -90 to +90, smallest value, this is considered as principal range. Okay, principal range. तो ये principal range यानी कि it is accepted, it is used by all in the world. वर्ल्ड में हम इसको एक फिक्स करें, ये रेंज लेंगे और इस रेंज में हम साइन इनवर्स फंक्शन डिफाइन करेंगे. तो कैसे, if y is equal to sin x, then its inverse function also known as arc sine function. उसे क्या बोलते हैं, arc sine function, बट ये यूज में नहीं है, हम इनवर्स ही बोलते जाते हैं. ओके, so as arc sine function can be defined if and only if x is belonging to this interval -90 to +90 and y belongs to -1 and +1 and is given by x is equal to sin inverse y. X is equal to sin inverse y. Okay, so this is how a sine curve we can see very beautifully. See, and here in which interval it is bijective. So all those intervals, among all those, ये सब intervals से हम इस interval को standard पकड़े, यानी कि we consider this as a principal range. तो इस रेंज में इनवर्स साइन इनवर्स फंक्शन को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. So